Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a Money Matters lesson called Save, Spend, Send to a Friend that's in our Mango Money Matters math kit. This game comes in a pouch which has the direction sheet in there with the information on the front for the adult, which has guided questions, objectives, supplies, and teaching tips. And then on the reverse side of that are directions on how to play the game. This game is a place value understanding game, as well as a subtraction and addition, and also to be learning about negative numbers. So in this game, there'll be one student who's a dealer and the other students will be players. The dealer will deal out one card at a time. So in this case, I'm going to deal out a 4. And the players get to choose where they want to put the 4 on their board. So each player is going to have a board like this, and they get to determine where they want to write that 4 down. They can write it in any of these 3 numbers. So let's say I'm just going to put my 4 right there. Then the dealer is going to deal another card, this time an 8. I am then going to get to put my 8 anywhere. I'm going to put my 8 here because I want to make a lot of money. So I'm going to put my 8 right there. Until that's an 8. Then the dealer deals out another card. It's another 8. I'm going to put in another 8. So I'm going to put another 8 right here in my make volume. And then I have a 1. I'm going to put my 1 over here. So students have to be strategic on where they place their numbers. And I don't give them any hints on where they should place them. I just leave it wide open for them because hopefully they start to realize values. So the next one is a 3. I can put my 3 anywhere. I'm going to put my 3 right here. And every child could start with the numbers in the same place, but then all of a sudden they can get them all in different locations. Now I have a 9. So now I'm going to figure out where I place my 9. My next card is another 8. I am going to write my 8 in here. I'm going to draw again and know there's a little bit of chance in this, so you never know what card you're going to draw. I've got a 6, so I'm going to put my 6 over here. And then the last card, as you can see right there, is a 4. So I'm going to place my 4 in that last spot. Now what the kids are going to do is they're going to add up their spend and donate. And they're going to add those 2 numbers together. And they're going to subtract it from this amount. So I'm going to add those numbers together. I have a 4 and a 9 and another 4. So I spent $494, and I'm going to subtract that from the $889. And that's going to give me this amount right here. So this might be, in this case, it's going to be a positive amount, which is great, but it could be a negative amount. So as they play this game round after round after round, they are then going to get a total down here. That is going to be their total amount. And whoever has the greatest total amount here at the end wins. What's nice about this game is that they quickly can figure out where to place numbers, but by luck, they might end up having a bigger number when they're trying to wait to see for some smaller numbers to come up, might have a bigger number and might end up having to put a bigger number in a place they don't want to. And they might end up having a debt. So they have to realize that when they go to add in up these scores, they actually have to subtract the amount that they're in debt to get to their final score. So enjoy this game.